Hey guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the gravy train steak bones. Yeah, these are treats, okay? Now, I don't want these to get confused with the gravy train, just a regular dog food. These are supposed to be just for little snacks, little treats that you will give them just to give them something to chew on, just, for when they're good or whatever. And oh, my dogs love them. They really love them a lot. It is really, really a special treat for them because it looks like a little steak. And that's on purpose. I think it's more for human sake to make it look like that, like there's a little bone in the middle and everything. But if you smell it, it smells kind of like beef jerky. So I think if a person is hungry enough, a person will probably eat these because it smells just like beef jerky to me. But yeah, it's really good. And what I use them for, I just use them really to, treat my dogs every now and then when, they're, I just feel like giving them a nice little treat in between meals or something. But they're really good to use if you're training your dog to do something. Like if you're like training them to like maybe pee in a certain area or not go to a certain area or sit or come or stay or roll over or anything you want them to do. After they accomplish the feat or whatever you're going to do with them, you give them one of these and they love it. It's a really great tool to train dogs with. I've been using these treats for probably maybe about 2.5 years now. When I discovered them, first when I was trying to train my dog to do things, I would actually cut up pieces of sausage to actually cook sausage to treat them when I was training them to do something. But then I discovered this gravy train steak bones. It's a beef flavor and my dogs love it. They really, really love it. The taste is like gold to them. And yeah, so what I did was I started, training them with these. Anything I need them to do. You should see all the different things I got my dogs doing. But it's good to have your dogs trained. And these helped a lot. And these are very, very cheap. The expense for buying gravy train treats are like nothing, And it's really, really good to train your dog with. The dogs love eating these just anyway, like if you're not like thinking that your dog's ready to have lunch yet, or maybe you just want to take something along with you when you take your dog with you to the store or wherever you're going with your dog, but you want to make sure, he doesn't get too hungry because you're going to be out a while. It's nice to pack some of these with you because, it's not bulky and it's just a little bag and it's just in case he gets hungry. It's just like having a kid, Yeah, they might want to chew on something just until you get home because you don't want to lug a big bag of dog food with you or open up any cans or anything like that while you're on the road or wherever. This is just something that you can take with you, and this has a Ziploc on it, so it's just like a treat, and it's not meant to go into a bowl or anything. You just kind of put it in his mouth or throw it at him and he catches it or anything, make it a game, kind of a playful thing. And it's really good. I really love giving my dog gravy train the steak bones. This is like a real treat for them. And they respond to it. They really do. And at first I thought, oh, these are kind of big, But no, they're the exact right size because my little dog, we have like a little Chihuahua also, loves them. I'm thinking, is he going to be able to fit all this in his mouth, these pieces? But it's fine. He chews it up and he's asking for more. Very good. Yeah, and my German Shepherd, he could eat the whole bag in one sitting. But you have to ration it out. These are just treats. Yeah, so Yeah, these are very good, and they have a really nice effect on the training. When I do any kind of training, I use these, and I would suggest anybody who's training your dog to do anything. It's a good way to train them, because dogs will do anything for them. They really will. They taste that good, and you should smell them. They smell just like beef jerky, I'm telling you. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that is gravy trained steak bones, and that's the beef flavor. Okay, these treats are very good and dogs love them. All right, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.